Can't people do that too? Hey guys, Chelsiejayy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me. So if that's something that you're interested in, just keep on watching. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, welcome to my channel. And make sure that you subscribe before you leave so that you can make sure that you keep up with every video and you won't miss a slay with your girl Chelsiejayy. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the look. Today you guys are going to be getting ready with me. I'm sure you already know this, that we're going to be getting ready. So I've already outlined my brows off camera, and I'm gonna fill in the front like as we go. But let's go ahead and get into this. Get ready with me. So I'm gonna be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know I live by this, okay, period. If you have not tried this, girl, what are you doing? Invest, okay? It is kind of pricey, but I think it's worth it. I mean, well, what's really pricey though? If it's really gonna slay your face, what's really pricey? So I'm just gonna work this into the skin, get the skin nice and prepped for our base. I'm not sure what look I'm gonna be doing today, but I'm sure as we like keep going, I'll think of something. And if you've been watching me, you already know that if you hear something in the background, girl, y'all already know who it is, okay? And if you don't know, catch up on my last video, sis, because I'm sure you'll find out. So I'm gonna let that settle into the skin first, and then we're gonna move into the foundation. Also have a few new products to try out. I think it's like 2 new products, but I've tried this out. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is their setting spray, her setting spray, and I actually liked it. I tried it out for the first time yesterday, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put it on at the end of the video because this is more of like a setting spray instead of like a prep and prime. You know, certain primers you can use to prep the skin too. That's more of just like setting, but it's still okay. It's a game changer. If you've tried a few of her products out, let me know, girl. Let me know what I should get. Because I want to try the like the face powder and the bronzer. I think I mentioned that in my last video. But if you've tried it, girl, let me know how you like it and if I should get it too. I think I am going to get it. Now I'm going to spray my face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing spray. So we're going to move into foundation. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is the Anastasia 430W foundation. It looks like this. Oh, she's a little dirty. But yeah, I'm going to be using this. And the foundation I'm going to be mixing it today with is the Laura Mercier. I think this is called Flawless. Yeah, this is the Flawless foundation too. So yeah, I'm just going to mix these 2 foundations. As you can see, this is the Laura Mercier. It's really light. And then this one is the Anastasia. And it's more of like a deeper undertone. I'm mixing those 2 together because I think it'll blend like really nicely. Well, I don't know, it may be a little bit lighter than I would like because y'all know I like my foundations darker, just because like once I highlight and all of that, I don't want my face to look ashy or like just too bright. So to blend it out, I'm going to be using the Morphe E6 brush, and it looks like that. And I'm just going to use that to blend out the foundation. I may be adding a little bit more if I need it because I'm looking for a full coverage, okay? We love full coverage. Ooh, I don't know, y'all. This foundation is a little bit too light. You see how I like it to be? Maybe because, I don't know about that. But it's giving Casper. Yeah. And my lace doesn't make it any better because I have bronzer on my lace, so it really doesn't make it any better. So I'm gonna go back in with that 430W by Anastasia, and we're gonna be adding a little bit more because she's giving it's too much. Okay, it's too much. So now I'm gonna work on the brows. Please ignore this little section right here because once we contour, it's gonna look okay. I promise. Just stay with me. But I'm going to be cleaning up my brows. If you guys would like an updated brow tutorial, I can do that for you as well. To clean up my brows, I use the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I'm going to be using this to highlight as well. And then I'm going to mix it with the Maybelline Fit Me 22 concealer. And it looks like this right here. And I'm mixing it because I really like the yellow base that it has. And I love like a good yellow undertone or a brightening undertone. And then I'm going to go back on top with it as well. Yeah. So I'm just going to go in under the eye. I'm just taking this Laura Mercier. This is a cream eye color brush. And I'm also going to let it sit under my eye for some time so that it can dry down. So now I'm going to go in with my Chelsiejayy beauty sponge and I'm going to blend out around my eye. I let it dry down for about 2 minutes. And then now I'm just going to blend it out. How is everybody's 2021 going? I know we're like halfway through the month now. Well, more than halfway. It's like it's the 20th. You guys are, everything is going well for you all. I've been really trying to stay on target with my workouts and being consistent just with my YouTube and with everything else. Just being really consistent. That's what I'm focused on right now. Now I'm going to go in with Walnut. This is the foundation stick by Anastasia. And I'm just going to go and, start around the perimeter of my forehead, like right there. Then I'm just going to put a little bit on the cheeks. But I do it on the top half of my cheek so that we can blend everything in right. So I'm just going to go in and blend up that contour shade. And I'm blending around the perimeter of my face. And that's just going to help the hair and my bronzing. It's just going to look a lot better. So now that we're looking extra bright and snatched, okay, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go back in with my beauty sponge and just touch up around my eyes because creasing. But now I'm gonna work on the contour of my face, of my nose, and I'm just gonna do my nose contour starting at this part right here. I don't know what you would call that, girl, but we're gonna start right here, and I'm blending up into the brow. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm just dragging it down. And it's okay if your nose contour looks crazy. I say this in every video because I know sometimes nose like that can be like really intimidating. Because it's just like, am I doing this right? If it's looking, like this. Hopefully you guys' year is off to a great start. I hope that you guys are sticking to everything that you plan to do this year. I don't want to be sounding like preachy or anything like that, but I just want to know, I want you guys to know that you guys can do anything that you put your mind to, period. No ifs, buts, or ands about it, okay? You got it, girl. If you feel like, you may be falling off of what you are planning on doing, girl, stick to it, because you got it. So as you can see, like the nose contour is looking real nosy, okay? I'm just going to go back and touch up with my Chelsiejayy beauty sponge and touch up. In this video, we're really just getting ready because honestly, y'all, I'm not going nowhere, okay? I don't have nowhere to go. So after this, respectfully, I'm probably just going to get in my bed and lay down. Your girl is tired, honestly. To set the face down, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier setting powder. No, this is the Huda Beauty setting powder. How could I mess that up? Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana Bread. And I'm just going to set under my eye, but you want to make sure that you check for creasing. So yeah, I'm just setting everything in place, just patting everything together. Y'all, I have makeup all on my shirt. If you could see me right now, I look a mess. But yeah, I'm taking the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit. You guys know by now, okay? I'm gonna have to wet my hair some more because I hate when my hair is like big, because my face is already just big, and when my hair is big, it's like So I'm using the Ruby Kisses contour brush, highly recommend. Highly recommend. I'm pretty sure it's a lot better brushes out there. A lot of better brushes. Whatever, girl. I'm pretty sure some better brushes out there. But this right here, if you're looking for something affordable, girl, try this brush out. You can get it from the hair store. And I'm sculpting the sides of my cheeks out. I like to smile a little bit because that way I can really tell what areas I need to focus on. But I'm really excited for this year. I'm excited for my channel to grow. Hopefully we can hit, a good amount by the end of the year. I want to hit 10K subscribers very soon. This look is probably going to be simple, of course, but we still gonna make sure that it's snatched. So I like to go in and apply just a little bit of extra concealer before I apply any of my eye products. And I'm using a e.l.f. brush to do that. So I'm just lightly patting it on. I don't like to go in with the Anastasia primer unless I'm actually doing a look. But if you would like to, you can do that as well. The Anastasia eyeshadow primer is bomb. That Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette is fire, okay? Like, you can use it for anything. So I'm using it for my eyeshadow too. And I'm just blending it up into the brow and then dragging it out. And then I think we may go for like a soft burgundy color on the lid. I'm just going to blend everything out onto the lid and up into the brow. I really like this method. I use this method on my clients too, just blending the product out onto the brow because it just really sculpts the face well. So the palette I'm going into today is the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. This is my jam. Okay, we love this palette. I think I'm going to try Sienna. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with Sienna, or should I go in with orange soda? I feel like I did orange soda before, so I'm just gonna blend it up. I'm just taking that onto the lid. I'm using the same brush, nothing different, because whenever I don't do like a super serious look or a look that includes like a lot of color, I don't like to switch brushes because it's really not necessary. Because you've been to use so many brushes, girl, and you're like, well, why did I even need that? I also want to do like a nighttime routine video. Let me know if that's something that you would like to see too. In the comment section, let me know, because I would love to do one of those type of videos of where like y'all are getting ready with me, I guess, at night. So I think that'll be something really fun. I'm just taking that shade Sienna onto my lash line. Okay guys, so we added liner. The look is really cute. It's giving Burgundy Glam. That's what we may call this, Burgundy Glam. So on the lashes, I've used these before, but these are the Shop ChelsieJayy lashes. Got some water on it. Shop ChelsieJayy on the lashes. You know your girl is coming out with the lash lines. So make sure that you follow us on Instagram at Shop ChelsieJayy to make sure that you keep up with all our updates, because we are launching very, very soon. So blush, you guys know I'm here for the Becca Blush Trio palette. I don't know if they still sell this in the store, but I think they do. But if they don't, I'm sorry, girl. That's what we're using today. I'm just gonna take this up and around. Girl, I've been looking for the Kkw lip liner forever. Okay, forever. They don't have it in Ulta. It sold out online last time I checked, but this was like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, I'm going in with the Kkw lip liner. Heard so many great things about it. This is in the shade 2.5, I think. The consistency of this pencil is so smooth. Definitely like that about it. So I'm gonna go in with Peachy. I think I used this last time in my tutorial. This is from Anastasia. Oh, I'm gonna go on top with Diamond Milk by Fenty. Not so much Diamond Milk anymore, but I need to get me some more. Her glosses are fire. So that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I guess you can call it a Burgundy Glam makeup tutorial, because it's giving burgundy. Like, it's giving Burgundy Glam. Okay, setting spray. A1. That's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed just getting glam with me, even though we didn't actually like put on clothes. Okay? Hopefully you just enjoy watching me get glam and get cute, and hopefully you got cute too, because that's the whole purpose of doing these makeup tutorials, is to make you feel beautiful. So I think that's it, you guys. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video, which should be on Sunday. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next one.